Hello, Albert Epstein here with Oblique Filing Systems, and today I want to show you how you can store shoulder pads using our rail assemblies. But first I want to show you how you'll see it in the field. So what we've got here is a mock-up of a 4x4 wood post, just like you see in the picture. And so what that is shoulder pads stored upside down, stacked as high as they can go, and probably all over the floor. But let me show you how we can do it. So to give you the ventilation, each shoulder pad is placed on one rail assembly. And that is done here in our cantilever system on the wall mounts. Now, what we've got is one shoulder pad on a rail assembly, one shoulder pad on a rail assembly with a helmet. The helmet is held into place with a side stop. That side stop can also serve as our second option of storing shoulder pads, and that's instead of one per assembly, two per assembly. This keeps the shoulder pads from sliding off on the top. But then there's a third one, and that third one I've got 5 shoulder pads sitting on our cantilever system with a 26-inch side stop. Add 2 more and possibly 2 or 3 more, and then you've got 7 to 8 to possibly 9 shoulder pads on one rail assembly. In this case, cantilever can be done in 4 posts, L&T, even your industrial shelving. Now, if you see anything else here that you'd like for us to talk about, we'd love to talk to you about it, whether it be our bike storage, tennis racket, or filing. And of course, our shoulder pads we talked about today. Please give us a call at 800-845-7068 or reach us at sales@oblique.biz. Thank you. You just saw a shoulder pad system, but I also want to show you real quick our tennis rackets. This is 4-post shelving, L&T shelving, wherever you have. You've got 3 tennis rackets or more, as long as you like. We've got side stops on either side. You can just do one, goes all the way across. And of course, tennis balls and other stuff in there too, but just want to show you that.